In this video, I'll show you how to use Simple Earn on OKX. I'll show you on the app. If you want to know how to use the web platform, I'll leave a video on that down in the description below. But in the application, we go down to the bottom and press Explore, and then top left of this screen, you should see Simple Earn. So we'll click this. So what exactly is Simple Earn? Simple Earn is where you're lending out some of the assets that you have, and you're doing that on OKX. Now, on the other side of that, there's some people that want to borrow those assets and pay you a small interest rate. So OKX has many different markets, right? You can trade on margin, you can trade in the futures market and everything else. And so some of those markets, people will require to borrow some assets for a period of time, and you can lend to them. So that's exactly it. And for the most part, you'll be lending either USDT or USDC, just US dollar stable coins. So you'll lend that out and then people will borrow. Now, there's two ways we can do this. The first is flexible. That means that we can put our money in and we can take it out whenever we want. So we can lend it for a minute or 3 weeks or whatever else. And it's flexible in that as soon as you want your money back, just press redeem and it comes back to you. The other option is fixed, which fixes the term. For example, on USDT, you can see the term is 90 days. Now that's not available right now, it's actually sold out. But if you want a fixed term, you can lend for 90 days. You can't redeem before that. And if you lend for 90 days, you will get a fixed interest rate as well. So fixed term, fixed interest rate. Now with flexible, that is flexible term, flexible interest rate, meaning when you lend out the USDT, the interest rate might go up, it might go down. You don't know. So you can pull your money out if you want, whenever you want, if the interest rate gets too low. If it's good for you, you can leave it in there. What actually happens with Simple Earn is that you are lending your money into a big pool of assets. So lots of people that have dollars, they're going to lend it into a big pool. There are borrowers on the other side that are going to borrow from that pool, and then supply and demand dictates what the interest rate is. So let's go ahead and lend some money in. I'll show you USDT. So up at the top, we're going to use a flexible term. So I'll click this. And then up at the top, it says past hour APR. So APRs or APYs are given over a yearly basis. So what this means is if you had your money in Flexible Earn for 1 year, you would earn 1.36% over that year. So the interest rate's not exactly very high right now. So you can decide whether you want to do that or not. You might be watching this, the interest rate might be 5, 6, 7%, maybe even less than this. But that is a past hour APR. So in the past hour, really the APY is very low, right? 1.36%. However, in 5 hours time, if the APR, demand for loans goes up, this APR will go up as well. What you really need to do is figure out historical APRs. So on the right-hand side in the middle, you can see historical APR. We can click this and you might see that it changes, right? So if we go to the 1 year, you'll see that a few months back, the interest rate was much higher, topping out at about 12%, but it was 7, 5, 9, right? You can see that here. And recently, the market's, a little bit sideways, so there's not really much loan demand. So you can figure out, if you're in a high demand period or not, and whether you want to loan out. So what we have to do here is go to the amount and just choose how much that you want to lend. And you can, on the right-hand side, click where that money comes from. But it's going to automatically give you how much USDT you have to lend out. And then the min lending APR, this is essentially the lowest APR you want to lend at. Now, I would just put this as maybe the lowest you think it can get to, because if you've got the money in there, then any APR is better than 0, right? But you can put some minimum amount in. I'll just put 1. So that means that if the APR in the market goes below 1, you'll stop lending. You probably don't want to do that. So maybe put 0.5 or whatever. But I think 1 is probably about the lowest it's going to get to. So you can do that. So we're choosing the amount and then the min lending APR. And anything above that, we will be lending out our USDT. Now you can see here the bonus rules that the first $500 is getting 10% for 180 days. So if you want to just fill up that amount, you'll be getting 10% for that time. And then after that, basically the offer runs out and you'll go back to the normal rate. And then after the first 500, it goes down to the normal rate. So if you want to go ahead, you can see the schedule here. You're going to subscribe now. Return accrual will be the same day. And then the return distribution exactly will be the same day as well, right? So every single day you'll be earning, what you earned that day, and that will come back into your Simple Earn. Just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to lend now, and that's it. So we've actually lending that USDT now, and we have a balance there. You can go and check your Simple Earn balances, any interest that you've earned, and you can redeem as well from the Earn screen. So down at the bottom of the app, press Assets right here, And then where it says portfolio in the middle, on the right hand side it says earn. So we're going to click that, and it's going to show me all of my earn balances. Down at the bottom you can see USDT. So I'm going to press this one, and then right down at the bottom of the app it says manage order. So I'm going to click that. You can see all of the order details. So we've got $100 lent out. Total earnings right now is nothing, because I think we have to wait an hour before it starts racking up. I haven't actually lent anything right now, but there is a 10% APR bonus that I'm getting anyway if I keep my money in there. You can actually see that the bonus is for new users, and I've lent out some Simple Earn before, so I've only got 176 days left. From here though, if you want to lend more, just press that down at the bottom, go through the same process. If you want to redeem, just press that. You can see I've got $100 in here. So let's say that I want to redeem the whole amount. Because this is flexible, I can do that immediately. Press confirm, and that money will go back into my trading account. If you don't have an OKX account yet, I'll leave a sign up bonus link down in the description box below. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.